know that Washington, D.C. has the highest breast cancer mortality rate in the country? For This Cause invites you to join its 3rd annual breast cancer event and community day, where you can learn how to reduce your risk. There'll be workshops, activities for the kids, and giveaways. Don't miss this fun and free event on October 4th at the YWCA on 9th and G Streets Northwest. For information, call 202-547-2637 or go to www.forthiscause.org.
Breast cancer kills more women per capita in Washington, D.C. than anywhere else in the U.S. Join For This Cause Saturday, October 4th from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. at the YWCA on 9th and G Streets Northwest for the 3rd annual breast cancer event and community day. The day includes a fitness fair, free health screenings, workshops, and activities for the kids. To register, call 202-547-2637 or log on to forthiscause.org.
Hi, welcome to Comcast Local Edition. I'm Carolyn Black-Sotier. Did you realize that 1 out of 8 American women will be diagnosed with breast cancer? With me in the studio to talk about an organization that's working to reduce those numbers are 2 guests. First, I'd like to introduce Nona Ogunsula, who is the Executive Director for This Cause. Good to see you again.
Hello.
And also Dwayne Scott, who's General Manager of the YWCA Fitness and Aquatic Center. Good to see you.
Good to see you as well.
Nona, you've been on a couple of times. For people who are not familiar with your organization, For This Cause, tell us a little bit about it.
For This Cause mission is to help reduce the breast cancer incident and mortality rate in the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. And our focus is breast cancer awareness and women's issues in general. And so this year we're just pleased and happy to do our 3rd annual event on October 4th and to focus on that.
And you have a new partner this year, the YWCA.
Yes, I do. We're excited about having this.
So welcome on board, I guess.
Thank you.
Tell us a little bit why you thought it important that the YWCA be involved in this.
Well, the YWCA is a women's movement, and at the Fitness and Aquatic Center, we've had ongoing programming related to similar issues, as well as issues like breast cancer, as For This Cause does. And the event is particularly huge on the 4th. We're having a bunch of events planned in terms of health screening, flexibility testing, glucose testing, all sorts of things. It's a day-long program. There's children's activities also.
Which means to all you mothers out there that you got some help with child care for the day.
That's right.
That's terrific.
And just lifestyle, nutritional information, and Nona's got a lot going on that day, and we're just happy to be partnering with her.
So you're talking about not only awareness, but preventative measures, what you can do with diet, exercise, all of those things.
Yeah, statistics show that people who are healthy and exercise actually do better, and they live longer. And so our message is do some preventative things, and hopefully you won't be on the wrong side of statistics.
Right. Now we mentioned, speaking of statistics, I mentioned at the beginning that 1 out of every 8 women in the United States will be diagnosed with breast cancer. However, bad news for Washington, women who live in Washington, they even have they're at greater risk.
They are at greater risk, higher incidence of breast cancer. And Washington, D.C., sad to say, leads the nation in the mortality rate for breast cancer. And it's even worse for African American women. So what we're encouraging, our message is positive. Come out, get information on it, change your lifestyle, change your diet, and we believe that you will have changed your life.
Yeah, and that's the theme for this year, improving the quality of life.
Absolutely.
Yeah, which I think the YWCA does a very good job of doing. Let's put up the calendar. Saturday, October 4th is the date. As you said, starts at
9 a.m.
Okay, runs through
3:30 p.m. in the morning. There's health screenings, fitness activities, free lunch for all registered attendees.
Okay, so the whole day is free, is that right?
Yes, it is.
Right,
Absolutely.
Okay, all right. And there's a telephone number for more information. You can also go on the web and find out more. And the Y is located where, Dwayne?
9th and G Street. Actually, it's 624 9th Street. It's across from the Martin Luther King Library, directly across from the Gallery Place,
okay.
Metro 9th and G Street exit.
So it's easy to get there.
Very easy.
As well. How many people can you accommodate?
Well, we're taking over the block, but that space was G Street between the Martin Luther King Library and our fitness facilities. So just come on down. We've got room.
Come on down. Terrific. And this is one event, but you also have an ongoing program. Quickly tell me about that.
Yes, we have a program, and it's free mammogram programs for women 39 and younger. If you're over 40, Project WISH is the program for you in Washington, D.C.
Right.
But through our partnership with Safeway, we're able to provide mammograms for women who are 39 and younger. They have to contact Greater Southeast Community Hospital.
Okay.
And the number is 202-547-5385.
Okay. All right. Terrific. Well, it's great the work you do, and I wish you the best of luck at this year's event. It's going to be just terrific. I want to thank you, Nona Ogunsula and Dwayne Scott, for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed today's show. If you'd like to catch it online, you can log on at www.comcastnews.com. Until next time for Comcast Local Edition, I'm Carolyn Black-Sotier.
Breast cancer claims more lives in Washington, D.C. than anywhere in the U.S.
Hi, I'm Allison Seymour.
And I'm Glenn Tolbert. Fox 5 invites you to the second annual For This Cause Breast Cancer Community Day.
Come out and join us on Saturday, October 12th from 9 a.m. until 3:30 p.m. at Greater Southeast Community Hospital.
You'll enjoy a free health fair, seminars, workshops, children's fun and games, and more.
To register, log on to forthiscause.org
or call 202-547-5447.